So hello once again my dear fish keepers. This is a quick glance on my betta fishes now. This is a multicolor HMPK, and it's been a while since I uploaded videos. Still I don't have breeding pair, but I'm continuously maintaining them and conditioning them for breeding purposes. So this is a crown tail female, and this is another female, a copper. That's a copper AOC, and this is a red dragon, female red dragon again, and this one is for conditioning. This one, a multicolor blue base, but the color is not that much. And this is a copper, blue copper HMPK. This is a red base multicolor, a female one also, and a snow red dragon female, one of my quality betta, and another crown tail, female platinum crown tail. And this is a male crown tail.
And I'm a puppy.
Bluish one.
I'm a puppy.
And a red dragon again.
I'm a puppy.
Female red dragon.
I'm a puppy. I'm a puppy.
Red dragon again.
I'm a puppy. I'm a puppy.
See? On the background, here is my baby telling that she is a puppy. And the rain also. Strong rain on an afternoon. So this is it. Another crown tail, female, platinum. And so that's it. A quick glance from my betta fishes.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry for the minimal audio of
I
that
love you
video,
guys.
because I'm filming that without audio, and that was just a voiceover, and my microphone is not that good, or the quality is not better. But I promise you, on the next vlog, I will show you some freshwater and saltwater fishes. So today I'm with these two toddler. You know them from my previous video, Kuya Yen and my baby girl Aliyah. So I hope you like the video, even though that is short. And hopefully, if you stay tuned, I promise I will show you some freshwater and saltwater fishes on the next video that I will make. So that's it. Thank you so much for staying tuned on my fishing channel. Until next time,
Subscribe.
subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.